Nakuba kusaqhubeka ukubalwa kwamavoti, kepha ke uTrump uthi uselunqobile lolu khetho. Wesabise ngokuthi uzoya eNkantolo yokwedluliswa kwamacala ukuyovimba ukuqhubeka kokubalwa kwamavoti.
We won states and all of a sudden I said, what happened to the election? It's off. And we have all these announcers saying, what happened? And then they said, oh, we want all voting to stop. We don't want them to find any ballots at 4 o'clock in the morning and add them to the list, okay? It's a very sad moment. To me, this is a very sad moment, and we will win this, and as far as I'm concerned, we already have won it.
Usola imbangi yakhe nomele iqembu iDemocrats uJoe Biden ngokuzama ukumphuca iqathe emlonyeni. Uthi kuneqembu labantu abagcwele intukuthelo nje elizama ukudikibalisa abalandeli bakhe.
A very sad group of people is trying to disenfranchise that group of people, and we won't stand for it.
Okusenjalo uBiden uzokalise ukuzethemba kathi ekhuluma nabalandeli bakhe eWilmington wabanxusa ukuthi babekezele njengoba kusaqhubeka ukubalwa kwamavoti.
Good evening. Your patience is commendable. We knew this was going to go long, but who knew we're going to go into maybe tomorrow morning, maybe even longer. But look, we feel good about where we are. We really do.
Ngokubalwa kwamavoti uJoe Biden usahamba phambili ezifundeni eziningi ngo49.9 wamaphesenti kanti ke noDonald Trump umlandela ezithendeni ngo48.5 wamaphesenti. Akwaziwa ke ukuthi iyozala ngomoni.